Hi, thanks for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube and don't forget to like the Acquire by Novel page on Facebook, where you can see the latest videos and get some new lesson materials. Now, on to today's lesson. Okay, today we're going to be talking about some relationship vocabulary and also the relationship between the words get and be. So we have our nice little couple here, and let's get started. So here, the man gets down on one knee and proposes, and they get engaged. After that, we would say they are engaged. They are engaged until the wedding day, and they get married. So when they are married, the woman gets pregnant. So the woman gets pregnant, and she is pregnant, of course, until the baby comes. Babies can be very stressful, and they get into a big fight. So they are fighting until finally, sadly, they get divorced. After they get divorced, we would say they are divorced. Let's review. They get engaged, and then they are engaged. They get married, and then they are married. She gets pregnant, and then she is pregnant. They get into a fight, and then they are fighting. They get a divorce, and then they are divorced. Sad ending to this story. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we look forward to hearing from you in the YouTube comments and on our Facebook page. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks again. See you next time.